Breaking news coming in. BJP National President JP Nadda has condemned Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi's controversial remarks. He says that the deliberate usage of such words shows the elitist, anti-poor and anti-tribal nature of the Congress party. He further demands an apology to the Honourable President of India and the tribal community. Mehendi with me on the broadcast. Mehendi, JP Nadda has also now jumped in to the controversy and he's demanded an apology.
Well, indeed, Devika, after the political controversy has erupted, now all the senior BJP leaders are targeting the Congress party, and now JP Nadda, taking to his X platform, has also mentioned and asked for an apology. And, talking about his statement, then yes, he mentioned that how former Congress President Sonia Gandhi's use of the phrase poor thing referred to the president is deeply disrespectful and also underscores the opposition's continued discredit for the dignity of the highest constitutional office. And not only this, JP Nadda also added that how while the president was highlighting the government's achievements, the opposition, drive by its feudal mindset, shows intent, to mock the empowerment of backward classes and also women, a transformation brought about under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership. And he has condemned the comments that Sonia Gandhi has made, including adding, asking for the apology from the Congress party. As of now, Congress party has not reverted to that. But yes, JP Nadda has made very strong comments after the comments that were made by Sonia Gandhi.
Okay, Mehendi, stay on with us. Neeraj Dangi, Congress Member of Parliament, with us on the broadcast. Mr. Dangi, the BJP has now taken strong offence to some of the comments that have been made by the Gandhi family outside the Parliament today after the President's speech. In the entire clipping that has now been released online, one can hear Rahul Gandhi questioning whether the speech was boring. Then he says no comments, and then of course Sonia Gandhi there saying that the president, she could hardly speak by the end of it, poor thing. Now the BJP, sir, wants an apology from the Congress, from the Gandhis. How does the Congress respond?
I think what BJP is saying is totally wrong, first of all. Sonia Gandhi ji did not address the President of India as poor thing. She clearly said that at the last, President was so much tired that she was not able to speak the poor things, not the poor lady. It was not addressed to the President. It was addressed to the things she was speaking. जो वो बोल रही थी राष्ट्रपति महोदया, वो बेसिकली कोई भी सरकार है राष्ट्रपति के माध्यम से राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण के अंदर अपनी सरकार की उपलब्धियों को गिनाने की कोशिश करवाती है। और यहाँ सरकार की उपलब्धियां कुछ भी नहीं थी। सरकार ने जो देश के लिए किया है उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा करके बताने का कार्य राष्ट्रपति महोदया के माध्यम से उस अभिभाषण में हो रहा था। और जो पुअर थिंग्स की बात करी जा रही है वो उन्हीं चीजों की बात करी जा रही है जो अभिभाषण के अंत तक जाते जाते वो इतना थक गई थी कि उनको बोलने में भी उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी। क्या राहुल जी ने वही चीज कही है और सोनिया गांधी जी ने भी वही चीज कही है। राष्ट्रपति पर कमेंट नहीं है, इसको तोड़ मरोड़ की जो पेश करने का भारतीय जनता पार्टी काम कर रही है।
राहुल गांधी ने वो चीज नहीं कही है। सोनिया गांधी ने चाहे थोड़ा सा प्रेसिडेंट के प्रति कोई कंसर्न दिखाया होगा, राहुल गांधी ने तो बोला है बोरिंग। We also have with us Sukanta Majumdar. Mr. Dangi, I'm going to request you to stay on with us.
अभिभाषण जो चल रहा था वो खुद ही थक गई, तो मेंबर्स को तो बोरिंग लग ही रहा होगा ना। सोचने की बात है, तो बातें ही इस तरह की हो रही थी वो जिस प्रकार से सरकार के कामों को बढ़ा चढ़ा करके गिनाया जा रहा था। अनगिनत चीजें तो झूठ थी उसमें, जो हुई नहीं है उनको बढ़ा चढ़ा करके बताया जा रहा था। राष्ट्रपति महोदया के माध्यम से सरकार करवा रही है ये चीज।
ओके।
हर अभिभाषण में यही होता है। अभिभाषण में राष्ट्रपति महोदया के माध्यम से सरकार अपनी उपलब्धियां गिनवाने